Okay, here we are looking at problem number 13. We're told the machine prints 230 movie posters each hour. We're going to write and solve an equation to find the number of hours it takes the machine to print 1,265 posters. Okay, so the first little trick I'm going to give you that's going to be helpful throughout most of the year is this. Anytime you see something that says each hour or per hour, that tips you off that that's where your variable is going to be. You want your variable to be there. So I'm going to go ahead and write this. So for number 13, I'm going to write 230x, because 230 times x. 230x is equal to 1,265. And that makes sense, right? Because every time I add an hour, anytime I add an hour, I'm also adding 230. So it's just 230 posters per hour, depending on how many hours you have your printer on for. And then to get x by itself, to find out how many hours that actually is, I can divide both sides by 230. I'm going to do the opposite of multiply by 230, is divide by 230. Cancels out, leaves me with x. And then on the other side of my equation, I have 1,265 divided by 230, and we have 5.5. X is equal to 5.5. Now, especially in word problems, I'm going to check my work. I'm going to check my work and make sure this actually makes sense. So, according to my work here, I'm saying it will take 5.5 hours to print 1,265 posters. So let's check that. Let's go ahead and check. Is 230 times 5.5, is that actually equal to 1,265? I'm going to double check that. 230 times 5.5, and there it is, 1,265. So it's going to take us 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours.